Chichiro, look. Here comes Tamanui te rā. Morena, Mr. Sun. Morena, Papa rākau. Kia ora. My name is Koka. Here in the forest with me, the 5 Patsupaerehe. Let's go and meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro tribe. Kia ora, Tākaro tribe.
Kia ora, Koka.
Shall we go and see who has come to visit us today?
Aye. He Pukeko. He Pukeko.
Yes, Tākaro tribe. It's the Pukeko. Now, shall I tell you something interesting about Pukeko?
Ooh, aye.
Pukeko have long legs to help them walk around in swamps. Do you think those long legs will help them to kani, dance, kōrere koutou?
Ooh, aye.
E tū, tamariki mā. Are you ready to kani, dance, and waiata? Sing with us?
Me kani, me waiata. Yay! Matike, maranga. Tutai omoe na e hoa ma. Matike, maranga. Lenti matatata ki te kori tinana. Tuatahi, wirihia o ringa. Tuarua, wirihia o waiwai. Tuatoru, whātoro i te tinana. Tahi, rua, toru kei te rite. Pāpaka peke paku e. Tahi ka omati no te rawa e. Are whana whiua to ihuroa e. Paia! Watutuki i a koe. Matike, maranga. Ko te ao kei te kapu o tō ringa. Matike, maranga. Kia pai tō rā e hoa ma? Matike, maranga!
What's that Pukeko has given to you?
Awa!
Tākaro tribe. That's Papa Rākau calling you. I'm sure he will be able to tell you what Pukeko gave you. Haere rā, off you go.
Tamariki mā, noho mai ki aku pakiaka, wakarongo mai ki ngā kōrero o te ao marama. Aure. Tēnā koutou, Tākaro tribe.
Kia ora, Papa Rākau!
Did you enjoy dancing with the Pukeko?
Aye!
Oh, I see you've brought something along with you. Let's take a closer look, shall we?
Ooh! Yay!
Do you know what it is? This is something you use every night. Ia pō, isn't it?
Aye!
How does it feel? Is it ngohe, soft?
Aye! Mohe! Soft!
Is it maro, hard as well?
Aye! Maro! Hard!
What do you think it's for? That's right. It's for sleeping. It's a moinga.
Moinga!
Okay, awesome. It's time for us to visit some friends.
He wai Poroporo. That's my color. He fit too wai Poroporo.
Kia ora, Tamariki Ma. I think it's nap time. The Tamariki are going to have a sleep on their moenga. That's it. Lie down, Tamariki Ma. They pull up their praikete, blankets, to keep warm. Close their eyes. Time to sleep. E moe, Tamariki Ma. See you next time. Ka kite anō ia koutou.
Moenga.
Did you know moenga begins with the letter M? Shall we learn how to write the letter M?
Aye.
M. First, draw a line down the side. Then go back to the top and draw a line down to the middle. Draw up to the right and then back down. Kapai. Let's do it again. Down the side, then down to the middle, up again, and back down. M.
Yay!
Tauke. Awesome. I hear Koka calling you. Time for you all to visit Koka. See you next time.
Kia ora, Tākaro tribe.
Kia ora, Koka.
What did you learn about today?
Moenga.
Moenga. Let's learn to spell it.
Me.
Do you think we need a M?
Aye.
Do you think we need a T?
Cow. Ah.
Do you think we need an R?
Aye.
Do you think we need an O?
Cow.
Do you think we need an O?
Aye.
Do you think we need an E?
Need an E. Aye.
Do you think we need a W?
Cow.
Do you think we need a Ng?
Aye.
Senopai. Very good. That's all the letters we need.
Tama
Let's all say the word together, and then you can try and spell it. Moinga. What sound does the word begin with? Tino pai. Meh. Let's sound out the word moinga. That's right. See if you can find the letters for those sounds. Did you manage to spell the word moinga?
Yay!
Tino pai, very good. I knew you could do it.
Part of it is maro, hard. Part of it is ngohe, soft. We use it every night. It's for sleeping on. Mo e ngā. It's a moenga.
What a fun day, Tagaro tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pō Mārie. Good night, Tagaro tribe. Titiro, here comes the moon, Mahina. Kia ora, Mahina, me ngā whetū. E moi, Tagaro tribe. See you tomorrow. Hei a pōpō.
Good night.